Hello, everybody. Rambo here. Hope you had a really good weekend, and let's get into it here. We have AAPT starting off the program here. We had this big bearish pattern, a bat pattern, came all the way down past the second target price, did not get to the third. We broke this downward trend resistance line, which is good. Bounced right off the negative one deviation here at 0093. Made a move up here. What today was up a little bit, 0.63. I'm guessing. I don't know the way things have been going lately. They haven't been making sense, but we did break this negative zero point 0.5 deviation. So we should be getting back up to the average price here at 0191 or so this week. So that's what I have with AAPT. Next, SYBL. This big day here, guys. This big day here. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Nope, 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 nope. We're still well underneath the downward trend. That's why patience pays, guys. It just pays. You get sucked into a vacuum and you get all excited about this day right here. You get in, and next thing you know, you're holding bags. So let's just wait for it to break the downward trend. We have support here at 0.0196 area. We'll see if we come back down, bounce off of this. This would be the negative one deviation area also, and see if we'll get a bounce down there. So next is FERN. FERN 3.67 up today. Nice. We're just kind of accumulating right here. We do have support down here at 0.0204. Trying to break the resistance here at 0.0269 area. If we get above there, then we're looking at getting back up into the 336 area. So that's what I have with FERN. ILIS, red day today. We're testing, getting close to testing the Andrews pitchfork here. ILIS likes to do this. It's straddling. We have one great day and then a red one, a great day, a red one, and in the meantime, we're going down. So have to keep a close eye out here on ILIS and see what happens tomorrow. The pitchfork is right now, the bottom would be 0.3825 support. So something to look at in the next couple of days to see what happens. If it bounces off there, gets above 0.4133, we could make another move up with ILIS. Let's see here. MJWL, where are we at here? There we are. MJ, down today. We do have a butterfly pattern. It veered off the pattern a little bit here, but it would be nice if it got down to the 0.067 area, down to the 0.0519 area. This is the potential reverse zone. The optimum price here would be 0.0377. I don't think we'll get there because we have support right here. So I'm looking at it maybe coming down here, and then we should see a bounce up here if it goes according to the butterfly pattern here. Next one we have is PUGE. After a nice day, last couple of days, here we are again, coming back down. We're so far away from this downward trend line here, guys. So we really have to bounce up a 0041 and then maybe consolidate or let's see if I could find my my other thing here. Something like, it come up, do something like this, and then break, have a higher high, higher low, and then come down, and then get in, something like that. But it looks like we got a ways to go on this, unless something major happens where we have a big day and something like that. But it's going to be a while, I think, for PUGE before we want to get really into it. I don't like getting into stocks when they're in a downtrend. If you want to scalp it, today might have been a good day to get. Maybe tomorrow we might have, if we start off green, PUGE might be something to look at here. So if it's red, it comes down to 0041 area. If you want to scalp it, that might be a good. I think it should bounce off of there. If not, then we're going. I'm starting to look at horizontal support here, 0022, 0016. So that's what I have for PUGE. And then finally toner. Toner with the great day today, up 19%. I do have a wolf wedge here. This pattern sets, right here. And then the second wave comes down here, and it starts making this wedge right here. Okay. The third wave comes up here. So now, if this wave works, if the pattern works, the fourth wave is what they call the bear trap. It could come down here, it could come down here, something like that. But you want it to break the bottom of that wedge, something like that. It'd probably come down here, the support line right here, most likely. And then typically we have a pattern that is the target price is at the end of the wedge, and the target price is set by this dotted line right here, not the yellow one, but this dotted line that's between that's made by 0.1, which is right here, and 0.4. So that this target line right here, that's the target price that should hit when it gets to the end of this wedge right here. So we're looking at 0.0128. Now, guys, again, this is just a pattern. It does not mean that that's what's going to happen. I've seen, I wouldn't trust this. It is a good wedge, though. Traditionally, you want it to follow parallel to that line right here. But closer and closer you get to the end of the wedge before it breaks up, you just don't have enough time to get up to this, insane level. So, but, something like this about right here, and here's that target line again. But again, I've seen, a lot of things like this where it breaks, goes up a little bit and then, comes back down again. But usually if it follows this pattern here, you will get a pretty good sized bounce. And of course, sometimes it does hit the target price. So if that happens, that would be that'd be a heck of a amount here. Let's see. Let's say it gets down to this area right here. That target price would be up over 166%. So nice optimistic thinking here. But if you are in it and you're happy because this great day, I just be careful because it is setting up this bear trap here, which then would have it come down quite a bit. But again, if we do have some, couple more blue days, something like this, and this wolf wedge pattern will what they call repaint, and it will disappear. So think of it as like a suggestion of something that might happen that you could, kind of measure, and play it by the rules. The rules, they're very specific on the wolf wedge. You want nothing but red candles coming down. You don't want any blue at all. You want it to break here. You want it to be at least 1/3, have 1/3 of it left before you buy in after it breaks the wedge on the way up, and then you play it all the way up here. So that's how that goes. With that said, guys, hope you had a good weekend again, and we will see you tomorrow. And I hope you guys made some money today, and we'll get right back at it tomorrow. Take care, guys. Bye.